Come test drive 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, cruise control, air conditioning, console, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.